welcome back. It's Tasha here. I am here today with my July Allure unboxing. I had done an Allure unboxing earlier, a week ago, a little more than that, and I wasn't sure if it was June or July, so it officially is June's, and this is July. So we'll hop into that in just a minute. For those of you that are returning, welcome back. For those of you that are new here, my name is Tasha, and on my channel I do makeup unboxings, I do reviews, makeup try-ons, all kinds of things related to makeup. So if that sounds interesting to you, please hit the subscribe button. I do upload Monday, Tuesday, and Fridays. And so without any more talk, let's go ahead and jump right in. So I haven't checked it out yet. I did open the box, and it came with a nice little tissue paper kind of wrapped. This is the front of it, the Allure box, and then this is the actual box. There are quite a few big boxes in here this month. So let's go ahead and jump in. And so the first thing that I see is the OC Ocean Cleanser. It mineralizes and balances. And so it says that this organic seaweed cleansing gel removes surface impurities and excess oils. Vegan lactic acid gently exfoliates to minimize the appearance of pores. Lime, cypress, and juniper energize the skin and awaken the senses, and seaweed provides mineral-rich hydration, leaving skin balanced, refreshed, and radiant. And they said it's for normal, dry, and combo skin. Love the idea of the cleanser, love minimize pores, all of those things. Bottle is beautiful. Look at that. Nice green color. That's actually the product. It is a glass bottle here with a pump. Let's go ahead and pump some out and see. Oh, that came out pretty quick. Oh, it does smell really good. You can definitely smell the juniper in it. And it is nice and smooth. I do have a hard time believing products are appropriate for normal, dry, and combo skin. So pretty much everything across the board except for oily kind of. But certainly give that a try. Oh, I love the way that smells. That smells awesome. Awesome. So let's look in here real quick. The product is, it says price is $48. And it looks like this is not a full-size product. It's hard to tell. So I'll have to do some research. It does not look like this is a full-size product. So $48 for the full size, and we got a deluxe size. So definitely really nice though. I like it. It smells great. Next product that I see definitely is just a little deluxe sample, and I know it's going to be super hard because it's hard for me to read. This is the Ice Sunday Riley Moisturizer, and so let's just read real quick about that. The Ceramide Moisturizing Cream, it says it's great because it is not heavy under foundation. A full price is a full size is $65. We absolutely did not get a full size. We just got a little sample size. A full size is 50 grams, and I can't even see the size of what we received. It smells good. There's the inside of it. It is super creamy. I'm going to put it on the side here. It really isn't that heavy or thick. I thought it would be much heavier by the way it felt because it is nice and moisturizing feeling, but it's not heavy at all. It does have a smell to it, and I can't tell because the juniper is mixing with this, but this almost smells a little like Play-Doh. So at any rate, nice. I have not tried a lot of Sunday Riley things because they are so expensive. I do think there are other products that you can get that do the same thing for a much less price, but I'm excited to have a Sunday Riley to try. So nice. Next thing that I see in here is a acne patch, cover patch, and this is one of those little acne patches that you put on a little sit spot kind of thing, and it helps decrease everything. It looks like there are 8 clear patches in there, and that is just like an extra product. So that little thing obviously is not a full size. 40 clear patches are a full size one. This is receive 20% off with Allure 20 when you go onto this site, and the site is Avarelle.com. So interesting. So just kind of a bonus product. That's super cool. Okay, next thing that I see in here is a face mask. So we have a charcoal pore care face mask. Again, it's just one of those face masks that you put on, leave it on, take it off, rub it in. Charcoal is supposed to help remove impurities, help kind of tighten the skin. So definitely a nice little product. They said this product's cost is $3. So basically with this mask, it says that this mask, so a lot of charcoal masks can leave your face feeling downright thirsty, and they can leave it feeling very dry because it does pull out all of the impurities. However, it says this sheet mask pulls dirt out of pores with charcoal powder, but it's also soaked in a serum that balances clarifying ingredients, so salicylic acid, tea tree oil with hydrating ones, sodium hyaluronate. After peeling it off, the pores on my nose, which seems to be perpetually packed with dirt, are barely visible. My complexion looked brighter and my face felt hydrated, not parched. So certainly interesting. Well, I'll definitely try that. I typically don't use charcoal masks because my face is on the dry side. So this one hopefully will help moisturize like it says. We'll see, but there's a $3 product. Next product is a Peach and Lily product. So I do really like Peach and Lily products. I have a toner that I use from them that's really, really nice. And so this is a Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum with peach extract and peptide complex. Of course, Peach and Lily is cruelty-free. It is toxin-free, gluten-free, and vegan, which I always like. I do think the packaging on Peach and Lily is always beautiful and very high-end. The cost for this is $39, and it looks like it is a full-size product. So beautiful, simple bottle. It is a pump bottle. I'm running out of places. Oh, that came out really quick, huh? It does not smell like peaches like I would expect it to. However, it is a really nice serum that kind of soaks in. So that's pretty cool and definitely full-size product. So awesome. Really, really like that. And they did give you a little card in here from Peach and Lily to kind of tell you about the product, if I can get it out of the box. So cute little packaging on there. It basically says it's a revolutionary cocktail of peach extract, niacinamide, peptides, and hyaluronic acid. So definitely very hydrating. Overall helps with being youthful, with being bright and firm, luminous, all of those things. And that's from the hyaluronic acid, the niacinamide, those kind of things. So awesome. Really like that. And of course, like I said, really excited about Peach and Lily products. So super cool. And then the last product in here is a Butter Lip and Cheek Balm by, I can't even read what the, sorry, I can't even read what the company is. Oh, Beautyquin Beauty Butter Lip and Cheek Balm. It is filled with a long list of moisturizing oils, apricot, coconut, grapeseed, and pomegranate to keep lips soft. It says you can definitely apply this to lips, cheek, and then even this person for Allure puts it on their eyes. Let's open this up. I would think that it would be very moisturizing to put it on your eyes. It also looks like it is free of toxins, vegan, cruelty-free, and all of those great things. Love the beautiful packaging. It is very red. It smells a little like apricot. It doesn't smell a lot like apricot. Oh, it is nice and soft though. So I'm going to put it on right here. And so that looks like a beautiful, pretty apricot-y rose color for your lips. It doesn't really smell like apricot, but that's nice. I do like it. I don't think I would ever put it on my eyes because it is quite emollient. I don't think that it would be a great thing. Maybe on your cheeks, especially in the summertime, if you're going for that no makeup look, it might be great. It looks like this is a full-size product as well, and it is worth $16. It is very similar, and I'm going to pull this out, to the Palm Balm, which I got in my glossy box. And it literally looks like almost the same thing. So this must be a very in product right now. For me, I do like moisturizing things for my lips. Sorry, I can't get the box open. So almost the exact same thing, the exact same containers, very similar color. This one is more apricot-y, this one is more red, but same idea. So very moisturizing, great for lips. Again, cheeks for a no makeup look kind of idea. I don't know that I would do it anywhere else, but that's just my opinion. So let's really quick add up the value of this. Remember, the Allure Beauty Box is a $12 box. And so when we add it all up real quick, so adding it all up, I did not add in the Sunday Riley because it is such a small thing that it's hard. I don't have the amount that the full-size product is, or the versus the small size, blah, blah, blah. But even without that, with the other products, we're at $61.70. For a $12 box, I think that is awesome. And I am super excited about the Peach and Lily product. Definitely excited about the Sunday Riley. I'm looking forward to trying that. Of course, the acne patches are always awesome. And then this cleanser. So really nice array of things. Not a lot of makeup products in this box, of course, for this month. But I'm not mad about it at all for that price. I think it is absolutely great. I do think that the Allure box is such a great value. I am just all about that. So definitely exciting. I do think for next month, if everything arrives on time, I'm going to compare the Glam bag with the Allure. And I misspoke. I said the Allure box was only $12, but it's actually $15. The Ipsy is $12, so very close. So let me know what you guys think about that. Do you want me to compare them? What do you guys think about your Allure July box? Did you guys like it? Did you get the same products? What's your favorite product in here? Let me know. And let me know if you want to see any other boxes. What are you interested in? I hope everyone is great. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please stay safe, stay happy, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks.